Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Masterly Coder. My name is Aditya Tripathi. In this video, I am going to cover need of programming, what is programming, why so many programming languages, why Python programming, features of Python programming, applications of Python, at last, big companies that are using Python. So let's get started. First of all, why programming? Before starting anything, it is good to know why it is required so that we can relate it with our real life situation and use it accordingly. So, have you ever thought why we learned programming? Yes, it is important to know before starting how to program. In daily life of digital world, we use mobile applications, browse web pages on internet, use computer software to play music, video, store file data, etc. All are possible because of programming. Programming is important to create software and application that helps electronic device user in daily life at scalable level. Programming helps us to do things in fast and effective way. Due to all these reasons, it is really important to learn how to use programming in our daily life. Next, what is programming? As you have heard, programming is a set of logically built instructions. Technically, it is implementation of logic to facilitate specific computing operation and functionalities. Programming can be done in one or more languages which differ by application, domain, and programming model. So, have you ever wondered why we have so many programming languages? As I said, programming languages differ by application, domain, and programming model. Let's have a look at some of the programming languages. Fortran was developed for numeric computation in 1957. COBOL was developed for business application in 1959. BASIC was a general purpose programming language developed in 1960. C programming was developed as system programming language by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. Next, C++ was extension of C and was developed to create high-performance system applications in 1980s. In 1980s, ABC was developed for personal computing as a replacement of BASIC. Python was successor of ABC and was a general-purpose programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. In 1995, Java combination of technologies was developed to create and run softwares. Now, next question arises, why to choose Python programming? Python is most trending programming language because of its application in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. Python is open source general purpose programming language. Python design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant white spaces. With Python, we can create solutions quickly and other can understand them easily. Because Python comes with a great standard libraries as well as open source third-party libraries, hence mostly we do not need to code from scratch. We can easily build upon available code. Features of Python. Python syntax is clear and simple. Python is interpreted language. Python is dynamic language. Dynamic languages are those languages in which we can perform logical operations such as addition of two numbers. We cannot perform addition in HTML because it is a static language. Also, Python is dynamically typed and strongly typed language. Dynamically typed programming languages are those in which we do not need to declare data type of variable. It is handled by interpreter itself in Python by evaluating the type of value we are assigning inside variable. Python is platform independent. Python supports multi-paradigm programming language such as imperative paradigm, procedural paradigm, object-oriented paradigm. Python follows OOPS concept. Python also supports multi-threading. Apart from that, there are many features of Python. Applications of Python. Python is mostly applicable in data science and analytics, also in scientific computation and numeric computation. Python also has its application in web-based application using Django as a framework, in image processing and in video processing, in building desktop GUI application, in software development, in business application, in console-based application, in 3D CAD applications, in cloud configuration. Now, let's see some of the companies that are using Python at large scale. Google uses Python for Google search and in YouTube for recommendation. Facebook uses Python in various applications. Amazon uses Python in its various applications such as recommendation and in Amazon Go as well. Instagram was built on Django and Django is a framework of Python. Uber uses Python in Uber Eats and many of its applications. Companies such as IBM, HP, Qualcomm, Seagate all uses Python for testing. Spotify, music app, Netflix all are using Python for recommendation. For latest video update, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notification. Also, you can connect with me on various other platforms. All the links are provided in the description below. Thank you. Hope to see you in the next video.